A very warm good morning to one and all present here. Myself Muskan. I am here to dedicate something on the topic the hospital. Hospital are one of the most important pillar of any society. It is a kind of institution that deals with the healthcare facility. Hospital treat the patients with specialized equipments and staff. We go to hospital when we are ill. There are many doctors in the hospital. They treat the patient. There are also many nurses in the hospital. They look after the patients. We hospital are the most important. Hospitals have many rooms. There are personal cabins for all the doctors. And nurses.
A very pleasant morning to all. I am Anjali Raj and I am here to express my views on the topic the hospital. Hospital is the most important pillar of our society. It deals with the healthcare activities and it treats the patients with specialized staffs and equipments. When we are ill, then we go to hospital. There are many doctors in the hospital and they treat the patients and look after them. There are also many nurses in the hospital. They give the patients medicines on time. And there are also many rooms in the hospitals and personal cabins for all doctors, nurses and the patients. At last but not the least, hospital serves humanity as a whole. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day. Good morning everyone. Myself Guria Kumari. Today my topic about hospital. Hospital is one of the most important pillar of any society. The hospital is a kind of institution which deals with healthcare activities. It is an institution that institution that treat patients with specialized staff and equipments. There are many rooms and cabins for all the doctors, nurses and staff members. We go to hospital when we are ill. Some have minor health problem, they take medicine and go home, and some have a major of serious problems too, and the doctor look after them, and they are admitted in a hospital. It is serves humanity as a whole. As estimated 69,000 public and private hospital across India in 2019, as 43,000 private hospital and odd numbering is public hospital. UP had largest number of hospitals. So thank you so much all, and all the best to you all.
Hello, good morning friends. I am Santoshi here to deliver a topic given by Sir, and the topic is hospital. Hospital are one of the most important pillar of any society. We go to hospital when we are ill. There are many doctors in the hospital. There are also many nurses in the hospital. They look after the patients and give them medicines on time. Some patients have minor health problem, they take medicines and go home. But some patients have serious problem, they are admitted in the hospital and the doctor look after them. The hospital has many rooms. There are also cabins for all the doctors and nurses. The hospital is kept very clean. Some hospital have their own medical stores. The patients can buy medicines from there. The patients can taken care of in the hospital. They get well soon here. Hospital is a kind of institution which deals with the study of healthcare activities. It is an institution that treats the patients with a specialized staff and equipments. It serves humanity as a whole. Now in last, the type of hospital in general are private, and the hospital run by the government. That's all about hospital. Thank you all of you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Rahul Raj and I am going to deliver my topic, hospitals. Hospital is most powerful pillar of our society, and as we means there are some common factor. There are some common factor, hospitals and garage. Means as we know that in garage some some roast or bad car comes, and the person who work there and then make that the means roast car and means repair that. As like that in hospital, when we become ill or get some health problem, then we go to the hospital, and the person means like doctor or nurses who present there they will treat us. And there are means in health problem there are two or three type of problem, like some have major problem or some have minor problem. The person who have minor problem doctor give them some medicines and they go. And the person who have the major problem they shift there, and doctor will treat them, and the nurses who work there they look after him or her. And there are some also a medicine center like. And so thank you.
A warm good morning to all of you. My name is Shubham Raj. Today our topic is a hospital. A hospital is the most powerful pillar in any society. We go to hospital when we are ill. There are many doctors in a hospital. They treat the patient. There are also many nurses in the hospital. They give them medicine on the time. Some patients have a minor health problem. They take medicine and go home. Some patients have a serious problem. They get admitted. The doctor look after them. There are many rooms in the hospital. There are also personal cabin for all the doctor and the staff. In the hospital, patient take care. They get well soon. Here. The types of hospital in general are private hospital and the hospital run by the government. Thank you.
A very warm good morning to all of you. I am Akansha and now I am here to deliver my topic. Firstly, I would like to give a thought. Everything is easy when you are busy, but nothing is easy when you are lazy. So the topic is hospital. Hospital are one of the most important pillar of any society. We go to hospital when we are ill, and there are so many doctors in the hospital, and also there are so many nurses. And some people go to hospital. Some people have minor health problems, so they take medicine and go to home. But some people have a severe and major health problems, so doctors admitted in their hospital. But some hospital have their own medical store, and patient can buy medicine from there. And there are two types of hospital in general. First one is private hospital and second one is government hospital, but both are run by the government. And that's all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. So today my topic is hospital. Hospital is the most important pillar of any society. We are go to hospital when we are ill. There are many doctors in a hospital. They treat the patient. There are also many nurses in a hospital. They look after the patient and they give medicine on the time. Some patients have minor health problem. They take medicine and go home. Some patients have serious health problem. They are admitted in a hospital. The doctor look after them. Hospital is very kept and clean. Hospital has many rooms. There are cabins for all the doctors. Some hospitals have own medical stores. The patient can buy medicine from there. There are two types of hospital. First general, second government. They both are by the government. That's all.
Good morning everyone. After coming here, many students feel nervous and tense, but I feel good because I think I get opportunity to express my view on the topic given by sir. Today's topic is a hospital. Hospital are most important pillar of our society. when we are ill, we go to hospital, and there are many doctors. There are many doctors in a hospital. They treat patient. There are also many nurses in a hospital. They look after the patient, and some patient are minor problem. They take medicine and go home. Some patient big problem, they admitted in a hospital. There are two types of hospital: private hospital and government hospital, and they run by government. Okay, thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rani Raj. I am standing here in front of you to deliver a topic given by Sir, the hospital. The hospital are one of the most important pillar of any society. We go to hospital when we are ill. There are many doctors in a hospital. They treat patient. There are also many nurses in a hospital. They look after the patient. They give them medicines on time. Some patients have minor health problems. They take medicines and go. Some patients are admitted in the hospital. They have a serious health problem. The doctor look after them. Hospitals has many rooms. There are cabins for all the doctor. The hospital is kept very clean. Some hospitals have their own medical store. The patients can buy medicines from there. A hospital is a kind of institute which deals with healthcare activities. It is an institution that provides treatment to a patient with specialized staffs and equipments. It serves humanity as a whole. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sarika Bharti. Today's topic is eagle. Eagle is a very largest and huge bird. It is very strong. It has its large. Its claws and legs are very strong, and it can fly very high. It can fly in air for long hours. People views eagle birds. Eagle birds is symbol of power and freedom. Thank you.
Good morning all and present over here. After coming here many students feeling nervous and tense. I think I good because I get opportunity to express my feeling or view on topic given by sir. Today our topic, the hospital are one of the most pillar of any society. We go to hospital when we are ill. There are many doctors in a hospital. They treat and patients. There are also many nurses in a hospital. They on time. They medical on time. Some patients minor problem. They take medicine and go there. They are admitted in a hospital. They have serious problem. The doctor look after them. There some hospital has many room. There the cabin for all the doctor. The hospital is kept very clean. Hospital is very clean. The hospital doctor take care in patients. They get well soon. The hospital is kind institution which daily activity healthcare activities. It's serve humanity's whole types of hospital, private and general run by government hospital. That's all.